Good morning, everybody. Are we ready to make our bird feeders?
Good morning, everybody.
This is what they're gonna look like. So we need our apples. Miss Emma, we have our apple, our peanut butter, our bird seed, and the peanut butter and the bird seed are in your guys' folders. And then we have our yarn. So Miss Emma.
Well, Miss Samii taught me something on Tuesday when we did cooking. We talked about touch for our apple. So I'm going to touch it, and I think it feels very smooth. What do you think, Miss Samii?
Ooh, it does feel pretty smooth.
All right. We also talked about sight. So my apple looks, I think it looks green. What do you think?
Is it green, you guys? I think it is.
Is it shiny?
It has a little shine. Do you guys see the shine?
Is it big or small?
Pretty big.
It's pretty big.
Pretty big.
So let's see, if we cut the apple, then we can smell it.
Ooh.
So let's see what it smells
Want me to
like.
cut it?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
All right. We are going to cut our apples in half.
Good job.
Ooh, Miss Sammy can get the apple in half.
And for everybody at home, we're going to have our parents or family members cut the apple in half.
Yes.
All right, let's smell it. So my apple smells, it smells kind of, it doesn't smell stinky. I think it smells kind of sweet.
Ooh, it is kind of sweet.
It smells sweet to me. Okay, so now that we've done that, and we've observed our apple, let's get into it. Miss Samii?
Yep, so we already did our first step, cut the apple in half. And we're gonna cut a hole right out in the middle. So you can use a spoon or you can use a knife. We're just gonna make a hole right in the middle of our apple.
Push. Oh.
You gotta push hard to get all the seeds out.
Miss Emma spilled her apple on the floor. We're making a mess. Woohoo! Ooh. Is that okay, Miss Samii?
Ooh, perfect.
So there's my
See?
hole.
We have our apple.
Okay.
All right. So our second step, we're gonna mix our peanut butter and some birdseed together.
We have these little to-go. You actually also have the peanut butter in your packets that were sent home as well.
Mm-hmm.
Like Miss Samii said earlier, so we just have a little bowl.
Put the birdseed in yours.
Thank you for sharing.
Mm-hmm.
Scoop out my peanut butter. Ooh, that smells good too.
Ooh, it smells super sweet.
Very fresh. So just stir it, correct?
Yep.
The birds are going to be so happy.
We're gonna make a mess.
I know I can't eat this, but if I were a bird, I would eat it for sure. How does yours look?
Pretty thick.
Thick?
Yeah.
Kind of chunky with the bird seed?
Yeah. So we want to make sure that if we do this, the birdseed stays together. If it starts falling apart, we need a little bit more peanut butter. I think ours is pretty good.
I think that was a good sized peanut butter container.
Yeah.
And we just used like a little scoop,
Yeah.
right? I think it was a little cup, half cup.
What say on there?
Third cup.
About a third cup to one of these little tiny scoops. So now we're just going to pat the inside of the apple dry to help it stick a little bit.
Is that dry? Can you feel it?
Yeah.
All right. And the next step is
To put this in.
we're going to take our spoons with the peanut butter and the birdseed. And you just kind of pack it in there.
Yep. Doesn't have to be pretty.
Anything you make is pretty.
Why, thank you.
All right. There's that. How does that look?
Looks perfect.
Look at my apple.
All right. Let's see, Miss Emma.
Ooh, what on that?
It doesn't look like yours has the stem on it, so you probably just want to pop a hole in yours to get the yarn through.
Okay. Let's see if Miss Emma can do this. This is a new trick. Well, we'll figure it out.
You guys can put the yarn through it if you want, so that you can hang it from a tree, or if you just want to have it sitting on a branch, you guys could, if it makes it easier.
Miss Emma's trying. Oh, she got it.
You can hang it from a tree so that the birds can enjoy it, or you can just set it on the branch. Good job, Miss Emma.
Thank you. Oh, I love yours. I'm going to tie a little knot so if I hang it on a branch at home, they can see it. There we go.
Looks perfect.
Okay. So make sure not to eat the peanut butter with the birdseed, right?
Yes. As delicious as it looks, which it kind of looks pretty good, the birds should enjoy.
Perfect. So how does it smell now, Miss Samii?
I still think it smells pretty good. Like minus the birdseed.
I think it smells pretty sweet still.
Yeah.
With the peanut butter. And it looks good.
Oh, yes.
And I'm kind of sticky right now because of the peanut butter.
Just a bit.
Okay.
Thank you for joining us, you guys.
Thank you, everybody. Thanks for making bird feeders with us. Join us for story time with Teacher Gabe at 12:30. All right, we'll see you guys later.